Alright, well, I told you that it was going to be an extra special Christmas, and it sure is, because I was expecting one hobby box, and I got two. And here we have Panini Contenders Football 2018 hobby box. 14 packs in the box, 8 cards in the pack, 3 hits. So 1 autograph and 2 jersey cards. Don't know much about this product. I remember I got a few packs of it last year, and it was a nice looking release. But I don't really know. I haven't seen any breaks of it. I don't know if it's gonna be a good break, bad break, but that's what the video is for. Obviously, I'm assuming I'll get some good rookie hits here, but I don't know. But there's no way to find out. Let's get her going. Looking like right here. Panini Contenders Football. Okay. And like I said, 14 packs. Let's straighten this out. Here's what the packs look like. Let's move this up. This way I have some room to work with. There we go. 14 packs. Let's start. Good. Here's what the card looks like. Nice. And you got all the Panini Contenders Classics. You got all the stats here, right here. You know, the weight, the height. I think that's your jersey number always. No stats, no like real stats on the back. Just a little below the bottom. But a nice looking card. Cool. Carlos Hyde, Zach Ertz, Andrew Luck, Le'Veon Bell. Good, great start, very good start. Team quads, Baker Mayfield, Jarvis, Antonio Callaway, and Nick Chubb. Let's hope you have Baker Mayfield pulls continue. Joey Bosa, Mike Evans, and Matt Stafford. Love another Baker hit. But I'm not going to be picking that. I'm just going on for the ride today. Corey Davis, A-Rod, Alshon Jeffrey, MVP contenders of Philip Rivers, not numbered, Robbie Anderson, Joe McCoy, Patty Mahomes, Marvin Jones Jr. 6 packs. Okay. Andy Dalton, Alvin Kamara, Marlon Mack. It is a jersey card, I think, and it's a Cortland Sutton for the Denver Broncos, and it's not numbered. Cortland Sutton. That's a single card to watch. Nick Chubb, Mari, Jordan Howard, we should put the card straight, Kirk Cousins. Okay. First hit, there we go. AB, Sean Lee, OBJ. Here's a round numbers of a couple good rookies, I think. I think it's rookie G-Lo Scott and Jamon Moore. Not numbered. No number cards so far. Chandler Jones, Blake Bortles, Earl, Case Keenum. Don't know how much the box was. Stephon Diggs, DJ, Leonard Fournette. DJ once again, MVP contenders, and that's not numbered, of course. Devontae Adams, Jay Jai, AJ Green, Tom Brady. We're rolling. Pack number 6. Richard Sherman, Demaryius Thomas, Leonard Williams, Christian McCaffrey. Another round numbers, Christian Kirk, Anthony Miller, not numbered. Matt Ryan, Russell Wilson, Darius Slay. Oh, I get why they call round numbers now, because it goes by the round they're drafted in. Okay. That's cool. Kenyon Drake, Alex Smith, Juju, Bradley Chubb, Rookie of the Year contenders, not numbered, no. Jordy, A-Rob, M. Thielen, Fitz. Man. I love a numbered card at least. think that's what recent Ollie lots can do. But maybe not. Zeke, EY, Zay Jones, Legendary Contenders, Emmitt Smith, Khalil, Mitch, nice. Julian Edelman, Devonta Freeman. Miles Garrett, Evan Ingram, Kelvin Benjamin, Aaron Donald, Team Quads, Falcons, Ridley Devonta, Matt Ryan, Julio, Jalen Ramsey, Jimmy G, Von Miller. Well, I still got 2 hits coming my way, and we got 5 packs left, so let's hope it ends well. Jared Goff, Jordan Reed, J.J. Watt. Should be a hit right here. Nope. Michael Crabtree. No, there's a number card, finally. 10 of 24. Very low number. Low specific number, too. Cool. There you go. Well, finally. James Washington, Rookie of the Year Contender card. Kareem, Doug Baldwin, Doug Thomas. Okay. Cool. So finally number card. Finally. Okay. Big Ben. Ryan Tannehill. Brandon Cooks. Round numbers of Josh Allen, Josh Rosen. That's cool. Nice card there. Michael Crabtree. Melvin Gordon. Jameis Winston. Jimmy Graham. Okay, 3 packs left. And if they snuck me out of these hits, I'm gonna be really upset. Hopefully they don't. T.Y., Marquise Goodwin, Dak Prescott. Which one of these? Okay, I just saw somebody get one of these.
You get a hit for it.
Yeah, so yeah, this is a really dumb thing that they're doing. You redeem this, and you have to, you get a hit for it. So who knows what I will get with that. Man, I really don't like that at all. Kirk Cousins, Derek Carr, Joe Mixon, Gronk, T.Y. Yeah, this is, yikes, dude. Okay, this is a thick pack, so should be jersey card. That would be really cool is if they gave me an autograph in this last pack too, or a jersey, or guys, jersey auto. Jamal Adams, Luke Kuechly. Okay, who we got? Tornado CL man, Darius Geis. I think as I say his last name. Just basic rookie swatch, not numbered. Kyle Aletta, Julio, Tyreek, Jarvis, Drew Brees. Well, got 1 pack to redeem yourselves, contenders. Kiko Alonso, Josh Norman, Deshaun Watson, Cam Newton, legendary contenders of Dick Buckus, Joe Flacco, Philly Rivers, Derrick Henry. Okay. So, what do we got today? Let's review. An extremely underwhelming hobby box. Oh yeah, I got a hobby. I got 1 number card too. Okay. Let's start with the hobby with the numbered card. Crabtree numbered out 24. Got the points rewards card. That I don't know what I can get with this. I'm assuming I can get 1 decent hit with it, but I don't know.
You can choose
Find out a little bit, and then the 2 unnumbered rookie jersey cards. With 2, hopefully he'll be a decent player, and a decent player so far. Courtland Sutton, Darius Geis, not numbered. All right, well, that's contenders. I'll explain my thoughts on it later in the description, but there you go. Enjoy. Merry Christmas, everyone. Have a good one. Brooklyn Card Fever, I'm signing off. Take her easy.